Welcome to the monthly release highlights for Auth0. We'll go over this month's new available features. Generally available features. PII masking. This new capability for log streaming allows customers to hash or mask sensitive personal identifiable information like email address, phone number, and username within their log streams. This enhancement improves security and compliance for customers who stream their logs to data lakes or third-party tools. Key features include customizable PII masking. Customers can select specific PII data to be masked in their log streams. Enhanced security and compliance. This capability helps customers meet stricter compliance requirements by providing greater control over sensitive data in their logs. And broad applicability, PII masking will be available for both new and existing log streams. This update aligns with Auth0's commitment to improving customer data security and providing more customization in log stream outputs. Custom enrollment ticket configuration. This feature empowers developers to utilize custom enrollment tickets to support more flexible, secure flows. Custom enrollment tickets in Auth0 are one-time, pre-authenticated links that take users directly to the MFA enrollment flow. They're typically used to programmatically control when and how users enroll in MFA, outside the standard login experience. With this update, custom enrollment tickets now support allow multiple enrollments, enable users to enroll in additional MFA factors, even if they've already enrolled in one, and scoped factor selection, guide users to enroll in a specific factor like WebAuthn, rather than presenting all available options. Cascade token and session revocation for native-to-web single sign-on. Revoking the original refresh token used in a native-to-web flow will now automatically revoke all dependent web sessions and their issued refresh tokens. This helps prevent stale or orphaned sessions and ensures that once the root token is no longer valid, all downstream access is properly revoked. What's new? Enable cascade revocation. When enabled, revoking a native app's refresh token also revokes all web sessions and refresh tokens created via session transfer token. Enable online refresh tokens. When enabled, refresh tokens issued during a native-to-web single sign-on flow are tied to the lifetime of their associated session, such as online tokens. Why does this matter? This update provides stronger guarantees around token lifecycle and session integrity across platforms. Prevents misuse of refresh tokens after logout or revocation, reduces risk from long-lived sessions in embedded web views, and helps developers maintain a tighter, more secure cross-platform single sign-on experience. Auth0 is now FAP2.0 certified, which demonstrates our commitment to meeting the strict compliance requirements of regulated industries. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. Right-to-left language support for universal login. This update expands Auth0's global accessibility by enabling seamless support for RTL languages, including Arabic, Persian, Hebrew, and Urdu, helping you deliver more inclusive, intuitive login experiences in regions where these languages are the norm. Supporting RTL languages means you can reach new markets, localize experiences with greater precision, and improve accessibility for the nearly 1 billion people who rely on RTL scripts. Early access includes managing RTL languages in the admin dashboard and API, as well as previewing and editing prompt translations. Contact your Auth0 account manager or Auth0 support to enable early access on your tenant. Advanced customizations for universal login. This release adds a couple of highly requested enhancements, as well as support for building custom versions of universal login's consent screens using the new ACUL SDK. This includes a new filter screen configuration object that allows customers to set constraints around when the custom UI should be used based on the client and organization information. A new screen configuration parameter that allows customers to use their custom page template with ACUL. A new dashboard UI for configuring ACUL screens. Support for building custom versions of the consent screens. Consent. And customized consent used with HRI. We are excited to introduce limited early access. Expanded passkey support for custom database connections, now available without enabling import mode. What's new? You can now enable passkey-based authentication for custom database connections without importing or trickle migrating users into Auth0, i.e., with import mode turned off. End users can easily enroll in passkeys after their first successful login, requiring no prior passkey credentials in your external identity store. And passkey credentials are securely stored in Auth0, while your external identity store continues to handle all other authentication logic. This enhancement unlocks frictionless, passkey-based login experiences for enterprises that manage user credentials outside of Auth0, without requiring user migration or changes to existing identity architecture. To enable the limited early access release in your Auth0 tenant, contact your technical account manager to request access. Multiple custom domains on an Auth0 tenant. We're thrilled to announce multiple custom domains, MCD support, on a single Auth0 tenant, bringing you simpler, more flexible branding and white labeling. This powerful capability allows you to deliver tailored, branded experiences for your users, including customized login URLs and emails. Enhance security through consistent use of custom domains across end-user interactions. And scale business-to-business SaaS usage rapidly through MCD on a single tenant. This feature is available to our enterprise customers. With early access, you'll gain robust capabilities across our management APIs, managed dashboard, and our developer tools like SDKs, Terraform Provider, and CLI for MCD management. You'll find new ways to customize email templates based on custom domain information. The solution scales effortlessly to meet rapid growth and demanding needs. An API Explorer is now available for developers using the My Account API. My Account is Auth0's new self-service API, enabling customers to build embedded identity management capabilities more easily and with higher rate limits than the Management API. The initial capability will enable the enrollment of passkeys in native applications. Additional authentication methods, profile updates, and session management will follow. Sender-constrained tokens with demonstrating proof of possession. Protect against unauthorized use of access and refresh tokens by constraining them to be used only by the authorized application. Cryptographically bind each access/refresh token to a client application through demonstrating proof of possession of a private key. Thanks for viewing the Auth0 monthly release highlights. Information and documentation on the latest updates can be found at auth0.com/changelog.